Hello and welcome to my little potting area on a sunny windowsill on an ironing board, which is a brilliant way of having a temporary plant place by your window. This is my innovation, which I thought I'd share with you. I've got a bit fed up with planting things in pots and getting the potting compost, watering them every day, and waiting all that time for something to happen. And then eventually finding out there's just some rotten mess in the bottom of the pot and the seed was a load of rubbish. So what I've got here is a disposable takeaway tub, which would have been thrown away otherwise. And in the bottom I've got a piece of cardboard which has just come from some food packaging, and I've soaked that in some water. And what I do is I put my seeds in here, not so they're drowning in water, just so they're always a bit damp. And I've got some peas and some coriander. This is my favourite tool for doing this potting stuff. It's just a spatula like you get from a chemistry lab, and it's really good for picking up the seeds and when they start sprouting. So what I do is I've put my lid on the top and leave it in a sunny place. This keeps the moisture in but lets the light through as well. I don't actually put it on hard, I just lay it on so things aren't totally airtight in there. And then once the plants start growing, I can just pick them out with this spatula. Whoops. Need to keep this a bit flatter really, don't I? And if they don't grow, stick them straight in the compost. These peas are a good example. Some of them have been growing nicely, and some just go horrible and squelchy and yuck. And this is coriander. Again, some of this doesn't grow at all, and some of it does. And I only want to put the stuff in the soil, which is actually growing. So I hope that tip makes your planting out and propagating a bit easier.